Guys, welcome. So we have the face reveal because we hit 1k subscriber. And yes, you didn't realize that this is my real face. This is a count, yes. But the bad news, I don't wanna show my face actually. Yes. But I have the solution for you guys if you guys want to see my face. Yes. Yeah, okay. I'm bad English. The first thing, this is my account. Yes. And if you at home, you have to click the short. If you add the short, you have to click the oldest one. Yes, the oldest one. That oldest one, that means you make a short that very old. And you have to click this thing, the first. Sorry guys, I don't wanna show my face anymore, and I'm bad at